Hello, my name is Dr. John Burke, the founder of Maine Laser Skincare, and I'd like to talk to you today about a vampire procedure that we've been doing for the past several years and has been very successful and popular, and we call it the Vampire Hair Regrowth procedure. You may be familiar with the vampire procedures or platelet-rich plasma procedures, and basically they're all very similar in terms of their initial preparation. We draw blood from the arm in a sterile fashion into a special platelet preparation tube that goes into a centrifuge that is spun down for 20 minutes, and then we do a procedure where we remove the platelet-rich layer from that and use that for various purposes within the body. In this particular case, for the procedure that I'm talking about today, the vampire hair regrowth, we use it to stimulate hair, particularly in the scalp, to regrow. The most common demographic are men who are either prematurely balding or balding with age. There's also an increasing demographic of women who are having some hair loss due to multiple reasons, some due to excessive use of hair care products over the years like bleaches, and other people it can be more of a hormonal or a hereditary process. We do have a picture of one of the recent examples of a young man who had some balding at the top of his scalp, which was very disturbing to him as he did not want it to become balding, and he did have a vampire hair growth procedure, and you can see that it nicely filled in over the course of a number of months. Generally for men, this type of procedure usually involves 3 procedures approximately a month apart to get the full effect. Since we are dealing with the testosterone-based effects of testosterone on the scalp, in women, many times we can get by with 1 procedure, although some of the women who have a hormonal reason for losing hair, we have to go through the same procedure as men and do 3 treatments about a month apart. In men, this procedure tends to last in terms of effect for about a year or so, some people up to 2 years, but when more hair loss occurs, the process can be repeated again. The whole principle behind it is that the platelet-rich plasma and the associated growth factors stimulate hair growth in the affected area, and that the current hair that is there becomes thicker, less brittle, and more easily combable, and that there is also new hair growth from new hair follicles that come up through the surface in the area that's treated. As I said, it's a very popular procedure. It can limit the amount of balding in men and make it more of a controllable situation. It also is something that can be done more easily than some of the more aggressive procedures such as hair transplants. If you have any questions about the vampire hair regrowth, you can certainly contact our offices in Augusta at 12 Schumann Avenue, Suite 7, with the phone number 207-873-2158. Also in Scarborough, Maine at 438 US Route 1, with the phone number there being 207-303-0125. We also have a number of written materials that are on our website and through our blog on all of the vampire procedures, and specifically the vampire hair regrowth. Give us a call if you have any questions, and thank you for watching this video.